Okay, open the bed, Zach.
Wow. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Doing something I've never done on the channel before, and I'm pretty excited. One of my buddies put together a burnout contest at his house in his driveway. All of his neighbors are cool with it. He's done one before. I met the guy this year, so this is my first one. But gonna go ahead and shred some tires today. One last shebang before I tear the motor apart in about 2 days for the cam. So I'm not gonna be doing it on these tires. I have a set of junk 17s that I threw on, my 17 inchers. We'll be throwing those on when we get there. Just jacking it up, put the 2 on. Rex will be there. A couple cool cars will be there. There'll be some judges. It's a $20 buy-in, and then winner takes it all. It's simply just for fun, but it's something kind of cool and something kind of different. So I'm excited to do something like this, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I don't blow anything up, but yeah, I'm excited. All right, so I made it to the spot where I'm gonna change my rear tires out. Ryan will be here in like 2 seconds, so I'm gonna go ahead and jack the truck up, and then put those 17s on.
His neighbors are cool, but I don't call a cop.
He said we did it once. Alright. Looks weird, but it's for a good purpose. We're gonna roast these things. We're here. Tons of people here. Way more than I thought, which is good. That's awesome. Well, here's the winner of the contest. What's up, buddy?
5 minutes before 6 o'clock.
So in the last 24 hours, you had the rear end and the trans out of this thing, didn't you?
Well, the center section of the rear end,
Yeah.
and rear brakes. Not at all.
You're borrowing this trans from someone?
Yeah, my buddy Nick hooked me up.
That's sick.
I got 2 of them, and even that ain't enough.
Oh well. Got the all-terrains on there?
Oh yeah. The white letters out. Way to go. So I think
Frick,
we're
yeah.
getting everything done I wanted to have done. But...
Man, they got some tread on there.
Oh yeah, I've been saving them ones all year.
Alright, so we just kind of had a little bit of a driver's meeting. All the drivers came up, kind of talked about what we're going to do. Rex is going to go first. So he's getting his truck ready. Kind of went over the score sheet. There's a score sheet and a couple judges. And this is what we got to work with. So it's going to be pretty sick. Good area for some donuts. Well, I think my truck's a little too long and I'm too scared to do that. But it's going to be good. Holy. Damn.
Rubber on fire too. Just rubber. I wasn't missing that third gear ripper. Face is freaking lit up like. Oh, okay. I was just basically like
Still rolling out. It's been like 3 minutes. He was just sending it, as you can see, right into the garage. Decent smoke, man. All right, I'll go next. She's recording already.
Okay, open the bed, Zach.
Wow. Damn, that was I'm happy. Usually she likes to push. All right, we gotta go record this guy. Did you get a good one?
I did.
I had to stop. I couldn't see.
trying to get as close as I could.
You are wearing your 1321. Everyone's wearing.
Very
I know, that's why I thought. yeah.
That's bumper. That's bumper.
He said he got the car for free. I heard him just say. So he must not care about it. Yep.
Oh no, that tire pop took out the fucking body, the fender, that body did on it.
That's why he trailered it. I don't know. I feel like he wants to skip it. Oh wow. Okay.
Glowing.
Was it?
His rotor was literally glowing.
Holy, definitely a nitrous car. Holy,
dude, my ears.
That was loud.
That hurt. That was loud when he moved right there.
Yeah, it was.
Right over here over the car.
Yeah, yeah, no kidding. Especially you're right behind the exhaust, weren't you? Yeah. Laying some rubber down. This guy's getting a free coating, man. Yeah.
I lost my shoe. Dude, right here. It's glue. Your blue probably don't stick to it.
Not really. Yeah. Rex won it.
You're taking home the W.
Hell yeah.
Ain't fast enough to win street races, at least I can do burnout. You know that's for sure. I'll take that all day though.
Oh yeah. What is it? Is it 200 there?
200 bucks.
That's what I thought.
Not bad, not bad.
That's what I figured it would
For
be.
an afternoon in somebody's driveway.
Yeah. Yep.
You would have free anyways.
Yeah, no kidding.
I was 100% like ready to blow it out for that.
Oh, I bet.
Had a good plan. Had a good plan with the tip in, the donuts, and the third gear.
Oh yeah.
Tire smoking.
So you're the only one that actually turned around, so.
That was that was the biggest thing.
Yeah. Yeah. And to have coolant pouring out and still send it.
To a tire pop, and I ain't never gonna pop the tires on it. That was hot when that happened.
When you were standing in the garage, all of a sudden it was just like you could feel like it rolled up your whole body. I was kind of trash can. I was like, what?
I was definitely scared for a minute there. I ran out of the fire extinguisher, pulled the pin out and running around. There's all this rubber just dripping off on fire.
Oh
I turned my. That was awesome.
Whoa! Coolant pouring out, guys like, get in, keep going.
Yeah, it was like 240, 250 degrees, and I fired it up that last time to do that big ripper, but
damn,
wasn't gonna miss it.
All right, guys. Well, that was the end of the burnout contest. That was sick. Definitely got to do that again. Well, scratch that. We got one more happening. Jad's gonna do one in a CTSV. Definitely want to see this. I don't know how big it's gonna be, but we'll see. So what do you think, lady? We gonna do this in our house one year? Every year. This is sick.